Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a jumbo hair scrunchie. Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Welcome to HECTANOOGA 1. If you find the videos too fast, you can slow them down by clicking on the gear icon below the video. I'm going to work with an elastic band, a 9mm crochet hook, and I'm going to work with one strand of a bulky yarn, but you could use 2 strands of a worsted weight yarn. Insert my hook into the elastic band, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Now pick up both strands of yarn and pull it through, and that is both the yarn end and the working yarn. So now I'm just going to chain 1. Make 18 single crochet in this elastic band. So to make a single crochet, insert the yarn through the loop, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn and pull it through the loops. So in through the elastic band, pick up the yarn and pull it through, 2 loops on the hook, pick up the yarn, pull it through both. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've made my 18 single crochet. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the first stitch. Now chain 2, 1, 2, and turn, and I'm going to make 4 double crochet in each stitch. So yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn, pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. 2, 3, and 4. So go to the next stitch, pull the yarn through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. 3 more double crochet in that same stitch. That was 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 stitches in each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go all the way around. Okay, I've worked all the way around, making 4 double crochet in each stitch. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join, and then you can fasten off and weave the yarn ends back into the finished work, and weave this yarn end in as well. And there's your finished jumbo giant scrunchie. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.